Did you know a cloud can weigh over 1,000,000 pounds? Or that mosquitoes prefer certain blood types? Let's dive into 17 unbelievable facts that sound like fiction but are absolutely true. Our world is filled with astonishing facts that sound like myths but are backed by science. From the unexpected quirks of nature to strange truths hidden in everyday life, these facts will challenge what you think you know. Some of them might even change how you see the world. How can something that looks so light and fluffy be so incredibly heavy? Fact number 1. A cumulus cloud, those puffy white clouds we see on sunny days, contains an astonishing amount of water, about 1.1 million pounds worth. That's roughly the weight of 200 elephants floating above us. Clouds appear weightless because the water droplets are spread out and supported by warm air currents. If the air stops rising, the water droplets merge, forming rain. This is why clouds seem to disappear before a storm. Is your blood type the reason you get more mosquito bites? If mosquitoes seem to love you more than your friends, your blood type might be to blame. Fact number 2. Studies have shown that people with type O blood are nearly twice as likely to be bitten by mosquitoes compared to those with type A. Mosquitoes also track their targets by sensing carbon dioxide, sweat chemicals, and body temperature. If you're a type O person who works out a lot in the summer, mosquitoes think you're an all-you-can-eat buffet. Which is more common, stars or trees? Fact number 3. While it may seem impossible, there are over 3 trillion trees on Earth. This is more than the estimated 400 billion stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Scientists once believed stars outnumbered trees, but satellite imaging revealed forests are far denser than expected. This discovery highlights how much we're still learning about our own planet. What if I told you a nectarine is just a bald peach? Fact number 4. Despite their obvious difference in texture, peaches and nectarines are actually the same fruit. The only distinction is a single gene. A recessive gene causes nectarines to have smooth skin, while peaches have fuzzy skin due to a dominant trait. If you plant seeds from the same peach tree, some might grow into peaches, while others could turn into nectarines. It's nature's version of a genetic coin toss. Can the music you listen to affect your heart rate? Fact number 5. Research has shown that when people listen to music, their heartbeat tends to synchronize with the tempo of the song. Upbeat music increases heart rate, while slower music has a calming effect. This is why music therapy is used for relaxation and stress management. Athletes also use high-energy playlists to push their physical limits. Why do wombats poop in cubes instead of round pellets? Fact number 6. Wombats, native to Australia, produce cube-shaped poop. Scientists believe this helps the poop stay in place and not roll away, which is useful for marking their territory. Researchers have studied wombat intestines to develop better packaging techniques inspired by nature's cube-shaping ability. How does a metal structure change size with the seasons? Fact number 7. Due to thermal expansion, the Eiffel Tower grows up to 6 inches taller in summer. When iron heats up, it expands, stretching the tower slightly. In winter, it contracts back to its original size. Did you know you've been categorizing fruits wrong your entire life? Fact number 8. Botanically, a banana is a true berry, while strawberries are not. A berry must have seeds inside the flesh, come from a flower with one ovary, and have a fleshy pericarp. Bananas meet the criteria, strawberries do not. Other surprising berries include kiwis, cucumbers, and eggplants. Meanwhile, raspberries and blackberries are not true berries. How can a planet's day be longer than its year? Venus has an incredibly slow rotation. Fact number 9. It takes 243 Earth days to complete one full turn on its axis, while it only takes 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. This means if you were standing on Venus, you'd see the Sun rise and set only once every 243 days. What's the one big cat that can't roar? Fact number 10. Unlike lions and tigers, cheetahs lack the vocal structure to roar. Instead, they purr, chirp, and meow just like a house cat. Cheetahs use chirping sounds to communicate with cubs and purring as a sign of relaxation. Can sound waves really alter the taste of cheese? Fact number 11. A 2019 study found that cheese exposed to different types of music developed unique flavors. Hip-hop music produced the strongest aroma and taste, while classical music created a milder flavor. The study, called Cheese and Surround Sound, suggests that sound vibrations affect bacterial activity during fermentation, subtly altering the final product. Did you know there are more pet tigers in America than in nature? Fact number 12. It's estimated that 5,000 to 10,000 tigers are privately owned in the US, compared to just 3,890 tigers left in the wild globally. Some of these tigers live in accredited zoos, but many are kept as exotic pets or in roadside attractions. The lack of regulations allows people in some US states to own a tiger with just a permit, while in others you don't even need a license. This poses major safety and conservation issues. Is your phone secretly listening to TV ads? Fact number 13. Some TV commercials use high-frequency tones that humans can't hear, but smartphones can detect. This allows advertisers to track which commercials you watch and link multiple devices in the same household. This technology, called ultrasonic cross-device tracking, can link your phone, laptop, and TV together for more targeted advertising. Some privacy advocates worry about how much data it collects without consent. Why do octopuses have blue blood and 3 hearts? Fact number 14. Unlike humans, octopuses use copper-based hemocyanin instead of iron-based hemoglobin, making their blood blue. They also have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, and 1 sends oxygenated blood to the body. When octopuses swim, their systemic heart stops beating to save energy. Are those white dashes on the road tricking your brain? Fact number 15. While they look small when you're driving, the white dashed lines that divide highway lanes are actually 10 feet long, with 30-foot gaps in between. This optical illusion happens because of motion perception. Our brains compress distance when moving fast, making the lines appear much shorter than they actually are. How is it possible for water to boil and freeze simultaneously? Fact number 16. Under extreme conditions called the triple point, water can exist as a solid, liquid, and gas at the same time. This happens when pressure and temperature are just right. Scientists use this phenomenon to define precise temperature scales, and it occurs naturally on planets with extreme atmospheres. What are you actually breathing in when you take the subway? Riding public transportation means inhaling more than just air. Fact number 17. About 15% of the air in train stations is composed of human skin particles. Even when you're indoors, 80% of the floating specks in sunlight are tiny bits of skin. Every person sheds about 1.5 grams of skin per day. That's nearly 8 pounds a year. Now, imagine that multiplied by millions of people. From clouds that weigh millions of pounds to cheetahs that meow, our world is full of unbelievable truths hiding in plain sight. Science is constantly revealing new and exciting facts that challenge what we thought we knew up to that point in time. Which of these facts blew your mind the most? Do you know any other crazy but true facts? Share them in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crazy facts. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.